Today we are making Crockpot Southwestern corn and beans. This is a really delicious recipe, very hearty, healthy, and it is super simple to make in the crockpot. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making Crockpot Southwestern corn and beans. This is a really delicious recipe, hearty, tasty, healthy, and super easy to make. We have quite a few ingredients, but all we're going to do is put them in the crockpot, stir them, and cook them. It'll be done. So easy. These Southwestern corn and bean are delicious as a main dish, a side dish. You can put them on a taco salad, serve them with tortilla chips, salsa, sour cream, guacamole, put them in a burrito. But I just like them as a main dish or a side dish. They're really delicious. So the ingredients in this recipe are chopped onion, crushed red pepper, minced garlic, canned red kidney beans, frozen corn, canned diced tomatoes, green bell pepper, chili powder, cumin, kosher salt, and ground black pepper. So the first thing that we need to do is put our ingredients in the crock pot. So we have 2.5 cups of chopped onion, a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. This is hot, you can adjust it to your taste. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. I use prepared minced garlic, but you could chop your own. I have 2 15-ounce cans of red kidney beans. I rinsed and drained them. 4 cups of frozen corn, and I was really happy that I got non-GMO. And I found 12-ounce bags. You need about 16 ounces to get 4 cups. A 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes. 1 cup of chopped green bell pepper. You want to chop it large, maybe 1/2 inch to 1 inch. 2 to 3 teaspoons of chili powder, and I love chili powder. I'm going to put 3. A 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. A 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. You could use regular salt or sea salt or another type of salt. And a 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. You can grind it fresh, or I'm just going to use already prepared. All you have to do now is stir the ingredients. And I forgot 1/4 cup of water. Make sure to stir it really well. You're going to put the lid on, cook it on high 2.5 to 3 hours, or you could cook it on low 7 to 8 hours. I'm going to cook it on high. Okay, I'll be back in 2.5 to 3 hours. Okay, our Southwestern corn and beans have been cooking for about 3 hours, and it's time to try it. Wow. It smells so good, you're going to love it. I love also a colorful dish. Super healthy, hearty, filling, great side dish, main dish. Put it on a taco salad. Anyways, you're going to love it. Try it. Let me know how yours turns out, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Okay, here we go. It's also good just served with toast. Delicious. You can also add more salt and pepper after it's finished if you like.